Hi everyone, assalamualaikum. It's me, Fatihah, and I'm back again with a new video. So I know I disappeared for a month, like I always do. It has become a habit and it's a bad one, so I really hope I won't be disappearing anymore after this. Hopefully, but yeah, I'm back again with a new video today. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna be making an updated everyday makeup routine because a lot of you girls like DM me asking me to do it because I think yes, compared to my previous makeup routine, I think like my makeup routine kind of changed this year. It's actually inspired by beabadoobee. I love her eyeliner look so much, and I just can't live without it ever since that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it in this video. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna pull my tudung back a bit so that the makeup won't mess with my tudung. Also, my tudung is kind of weird. I don't know why, but let's just continue with the makeup. So firstly, I'll moisturize my skin using rosken skin repair dry skin cream daily moisturizer for dry to extra dry skin. I actually have a combination skin, but like I don't know, this moisturizer just suits my skin so much, I just decided to use it. Oh, also before I recorded this video, I actually have put Vaseline on my lashes and my lips. As always, if you have seen my previous makeup video, I love putting Vaseline on my lashes and my lips. And then after I put my moisturizer, I'll put on sunscreen. I'm using Biore watery essence, the aqua rich punya, and I love this sunscreen so much. Okay, right after you got all that on your skin, you're gonna be concealing your dark circles or basically anything that you want to conceal. So I'm gonna be putting my under eye. Also before I recorded this video, I actually kind of wanted to do like a Q&A featuring me doing my makeup, but then I can't multitask. It was really hard, so I actually did put my concealer already just now, and I tried to answer some questions, but then I can't. Now I'm using this beauty blender by Kimuse. This was only RM1, but look at how soft it is. It's crazy. This is like my second favorite beauty blender. So but my first favorite would be Brina Beauty. It's actually my sister punya, but then I curi from her, and the beauty blender is so good, tapi I lost it, so I decided to beli Kimuse punya because it was only RM1, and then Shopee had free shipping. Lepas tu, it's so soft and so good. I love it so much. And then I just kind of put on my eyelid so that the color of my skin akan nampak macam serata macam tu. And then after I conceal my skin, I'll straight away put my blusher. When I do my makeup, and I don't like seeing my skin looking so pale, so I thirst at blusher or bronzer so that my skin macam ada some color. So I'm using my butter bronzer, Physicians Formula punya, and I make this work as a blusher plus bronzer. I love how this bronzer look on my skin because it's very sun-kissed punya look macam tu. Then I love putting on my nose, a lot of it, and then on my eyelid, like that. So you'll get this very natural looking skin color. Look how glowy you are. And I basically just brush everywhere I want to. And ta-da! You're done with the second step. The fourth step, including sunscreen and moisturizer. Okay, I fixed my tudung dah. I think it's better now. And then after you got your bronzer, I love doing my eyeliner next. So basically what I use is I guna Essence long lasting eye pencil. So I rasa macam eye pencil, it works easier compared to liquid punya liner. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a bit zoomed in so you guys can see it clearly. What you do is basically you letak dekat the under eye. You start with the under eye, and then do you see this part of your eyes? Macam this corner kan? You fill that in. You see it? I fill that in, and then you can just use your jari to adjust how sharp you want it to be or how long you want it to be. That's why I love working with eye pencil. So but it's just easier for you to macam fix it. If it gets messed up, you can just padam juga dengan jari. So it's not that hard. And also this makeup can look a bit macam dark sikit. So but you just have eyeliner all over your eyes. Naikkan dia ke atas sikit. And there you go. But so you can just like smudge it if you don't want it to be too dark. There you go. Wait, I actually don't like the corner. Maybe not too long. Let's just keep it short like that. So now I'm going to be doing for my other eye. Okay, so I done what for both of my eyes. So basically that is how I do my eyeliner. Like every time I go out, I couldn't buat. I don't know why. I just cannot live without it. So yeah. So once we're done with our eyes, kita nak move on to nose contour. This is basically just a little nose shading as long as my hidung nampak ada tulang sikit. Because basically my nose here is very flat. It has nothing there. I just had to add something that can make it look like I actually have tulang there. So I'm using my Sofwanahcosmetics Timeless punya palette in the coat Demure, and then I just use like the brown shade here to get like the shading kind of color. Ooh, look at that. It's too much. It's okay, we'll fix that. Get you. Can I just leave it like this? No, don't. And then you use your jari to just like blend it out. There you go. Oh wait, that actually looked pretty good. Okay, and then this is like my favorite part of contouring my nose. I love doing this drawing thingy here where you just kind of draw around on your nose so that this tip of your nose will pop out. And I just thought I don't know, I just love doing it. So I love how it looks like on my nose. There you go. Now you have a cute nose. Okay, now that you're done with eyes and bronzing and contouring, you're gonna add some blush. So for blush, I actually love using my Wardah lipstick in the coat 18 because I just love the shade and I love how it adds some pink onto my cheeks. But it's a pretty pink. It's not like pink. Banyak pun tak apa, because we love some blushy cheeks. And you just go to your hand, your jari, and just blend it out. Plus too, you can add a bit on your nose as well. I'm gonna add a bit here. There you go. Okay, and then add some blusher. Now you're gonna add highlighter. So for highlighter, I kind of learned this trick from TikTok, if I'm not mistaken, where you put Vaseline. Okay, take some Vaseline, take it out, and just put it on your hands itu. Lepas tu, just take any highlight yang you guna. I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. And then you just use your jari and take as much as you want. Oops. And then you just mix it with the Vaseline tadi. So it will become like a gel highlight. But you don't have to buy a gel highlight. Just use Vaseline and your powder highlight. And then once you got that glow, Look at that. It's like kind of looks kind of like macam wet, but it's actually not. It's very like gel-like kind of feeling. And then you just put anywhere that you want to highlight. I love how it's not so like popping. It's just like a very cute subtle highlight. So yeah, I like doing that. Just put anywhere that you want some glow. And you're done with highlighter now. Now we're gonna move on to mascara. So we're gonna curl lashes now. I'm not really a fan of mascara, so sometimes I do put mascara, but sometimes I just put Vaseline and just curl my lashes. So this is my lashes without mascara. This is just Vaseline. Look at how curl it is. Please start using Vaseline on your lashes. Thank you to Mira. She taught me that, and I haven't stopped doing it ever since. It's a lifesaver. For mascara, I'm using Double Take by silkygirl, and this is my favorite mascara ever, especially when it dries. So my lashes is the kind of lashes yang very straight. Although I've curled it up for so many times, it will still jadi straight balik, and then although you have mascara on, it will become straight balik. But this one, if you add it and then you wait for it to dry, and then you curl guna your curler, nanti dia macam naik lama gila, which I love. This was recommended by Sophia Shahira, and I love her. I love watching her YouTube as well. And she guna this mascara, if I'm not mistaken, and I believe, and it turned out super good. So I love her for recommending this mascara to people, because I love this mascara so much. So now I'm gonna put it on. Also, just a little tip for your mascara. Start doing your mascara from like the atas sekali, like the tip of your lashes, and then only you start curling it from the root of your lashes. It just stays longer that way. I don't know how true is that, but that's just how I do it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my lashes. Crazy, right? I'm gonna do the other side now. So now you done with your mascara. The last part of my makeup routine is lipstick. So for lipstick, I suka campur-campur lipstick. So about, I don't know, I just couldn't find like the perfect shade yang macam satu shade je. So I love mixing lipsticks. So the first lipstick that I'll be using is Kimuse Matte Lipstick Clay Lip Cream. I got it in the code 103. This color is very like natural, so I think like it's a very good color for your base. So but then it holds your other lipsticks very well. Tengok eh. So first you put this on. So this is the color, very natural, and then it feels very nice on your lips. I suka gila, but the smell is a bit too strong. Macam bau sabun. That's a bit uncomfortable for me sebab I rasa macam I makan sabun. But that's okay. Lepas tu, I add a bit of Mocha Brown by Wardah. This is Colorfit Ultralight Matte Lipstick. Then I just tap it. So I tambah one more lipstick, which is Wardah Exclusive Matte Lip Cream in the code 14. My honeybee. Then I just like hide it on. I don't know, it kind of looks similar to the first lipstick tadi, cuma it just like has a better pigment, I think. And then one more thing I love doing is overlining my lips sikit. Sebab, I don't know, it just makes it look a bit extra. So I use nudestix punya lip plus cheek pencil in the code retro. Then I just line my lips macam sikit. Oh wait, that's messy. So you're basically just gonna do like this, macam just kat luar je sikit. Now you can look like a Bratz doll. So I'm gonna fix my tudung and then I think we're done. So we're back. I'm back. So this is my everyday makeup routine now. It's much more like, I don't know, I feel like it's a bit darker. It's like a bit of a darker look compared to my previous makeup routine, but I really love this makeup so much. Look at how my eyes become just, I don't know, it just lights up once I have the eyeliner, and then the lipstick, the glow, the bronzer blush kind of thing, and my nose contour is amazing today. Very proud of that. This is my updated everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys like it, and yeah, you guys can definitely try this look out, and I really hope I get to see you guys very soon, possibly next week, inshallah. I'm not gonna disappear again, hopefully. Before I end this video, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to me. It's crazy, I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers. It just feels surreal, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I really hope I get to see you guys very soon. Bye, thank you for watching.